Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is one that everyone is thinking about: dating in a post-pandemic world, challenges and opportunities. Because of the epidemic, the dating environment has evolved tremendously, presenting us with both unique obstacles and great opportunities. In this video, we'll look at how dating has changed over time, the challenges we encounter, and how we can adapt and prosper in this new era of relationships. Let's get started with dating in a post-pandemic world. Section 1: The changing dating scene. Let's begin by examining how the dating landscape has changed. 1. The rise of virtual dating. During lockdowns, virtual dates and online connections were the norm. 2. Return to in-person dating. As regulations loosen, in-person dating is regaining popularity. Section 2: Difficulties in post-pandemic dating. The post-pandemic dating scene is not without its difficulties. 1. Maintaining caution and intimacy. Maintaining physical intimacy while maintaining personal limits. 2. Rebuilding social skills. Some people struggle with social interactions after months of isolation. Section 3: Dealing with virtual fatigue. Virtual tiredness might be difficult to overcome in post-pandemic relationships. 1. Moving from virtual to in-person, making the transition from virtual to in-person connections. 2. Dealing with screen fatigue, finding ways to recharge and engage without using screens. Segment 4: Trust building in a new era. In the post-pandemic dating scene, trust building has taken on new dimensions. 1. Safety concerns, addressing health and safety issues in a transparent manner. 2. Accepting vulnerability, developing emotional trust in the face of uncertainty. Section 5: Growth opportunities. Personal development chances abound in the post-pandemic era. 1. Mindful connections, prioritizing quality above quantity in relationships. 2. Reimagining date ideas, investigating novel and meaningful date activities. Section 6: Accepting hybrid dating. Hybrid dating combines the best of both the online and offline worlds. 1. Virtual components, using virtual components to improve connectivity. 2. Intimate in-person experiences, achieving a balance between the ease of virtual and the depth of in-person. Section 7: Mindful online dating. In the post-pandemic era, online dating is evolving. 1. Authenticity and transparency, giving genuine connections precedence above superficial ones. 2. Investing time, exercising patience and intent in online relationships. Section 8: Boosting social confidence. Rebuilding social trust is critical for dating after the pandemic. 1. Self-exploration, identifying and expressing your true self. 2. Embracing rejection, dealing with rejection with perseverance and confidence. Section 9: Communication is essential. Communication skills are more vital than ever. 1. Open discussions, talking about post-pandemic borders and expectations. 2. Uncharted waters, addressing uncertainties and shared concerns. Section 10: Making lasting connections. In the post-pandemic society, lasting connections need effort. 1. Shared ideals, concentrating on shared interests and ideals. 2. Accepting change, adjusting to the changing dynamics of relationships. Finally, dating in a post-pandemic world is a mix of difficulties and chances. Thank you for your time. If you found these ideas useful, please like and subscribe for more relationship, personal improvement, and effective communication advice. Please share your ideas or experiences in the comments section below. Remember that embracing change, practicing empathy, and cultivating meaningful connections will lead us to fulfilling and honest relationships as we navigate the post-pandemic dating landscape. Until next time, may your dating journey be one of development, connection, and exciting possibilities.